Let's make pizza. Flour, 2 cups, 2 and 1/2 cup. And then salt, 1 teaspoon of yeast, sugar, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, water, tansyahin nyo na lang. Tatansyahin ko lang to. 1 cup to. Mix lang natin. It's 1 cup. Ito. Masa time. Masa time. Lagyan na natin siya sa bowl para i-proof, paalasahin. Let's cover it. And I think mga 45 to 1 hour para umalis na talaga siya. 2 pieces lang ng garlic press. Hindi naman marami yung gagawin ko. Hiwain ko lang itong, gayat-gayatin lang natin itong spinach. Tatakam na ako. Ini-imagine ko pa lang. Guys, tinagdagan ko yung spinach para kasing kukulangin. Favorite pa naman yung ano yun. Dudong. Let's put the butter, onions and the garlic. Hi!
Hi.
Look at the camera! Hi!
Hi.
Nagpapakarga. Let's put the spinach. Let's put a little bit of milk. All-purpose flour para mag-thick lang din. Salt. Parmesan cheese. Huwag kakalimutan ng cream cheese. 1 block of cream cheese. Black pepper, this is optional. Our toppings is done. So guys, nag-grate ko na yung cheddar cheese and mozzarella. This is one of our toppings. Ayan o. Basta makakain tayo ng pizza. Lagyan na natin. Let's transfer it. May mga natira akong mozzarella pa, so lalagay natin siya sa gilid. Crust pizza nga. Favorite ko kasi ang crust pizza. Mozzarella. Okay. Tinusok-tusok ko lang guys. Lagyan natin yung ating creamy spinach. And let's spread our cheese. The more the merrier. Parmesan cheese. Dagdag lasa. For 15 or 18 minutes. Preheat lang natin yung oven to 375. I don't know what is this in Celsius. Yeah, let's wait. Crush lang natin ng konting oil yung pag-liquid guys. Yung pabilog lang para hindi siya ganun ka dry pag na-bake. Bake na natin. 375 Fahrenheit for 17 minutes. 17 or 18 minutes. It's up to you guys. Hello. Creamy spinach pizza. Yes, touch, touch, touch. Ha. Pizza, pizza, pizza. Yung hawakan. Tiyo, nagre-request ng chocolate milk yung isa. Let's try it. Ang init. Thank you, Lord. Tingnan niyo yung gilid, guys. Yung mozzarella na nilagay ko. Oh my God. Kain tayo. The creamy spinach. How is it?
As good as I remember. Wait,
One more. Bite this. There's a...
you put cheese in the middle. Wow. It's really good though.
How dare you? Bye!